Welcome, here I've got the Android device and I'm gonna show you how to change image quality in the camera app on it. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's move to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here from the left at the bottom. And as you can see, it gives us access to advanced camera settings. We can pick the general settings, photo settings and the video settings. So let's go to the center to the photo settings, and from here let's slide a little bit down to the picture size. When we tap on this, we can easily change the quality of the picture. For example, 1 megapixels here, 2 megapixels. Of course, I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is 5 megapixels here, so let's change it. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.